Okay, so hello guys. So today I will be showing you how to optimize your gaming performance, and this applies to whatever games you're playing, either RF Online, Warzone, Tekken, NBA. It's a very simple procedure. No overclocking needed. We know how unstable it is to overclock your computer. You might end up burning your CPU or your GPU. So I will stay away from that tutorial for now, and I'm just gonna focus on how to optimize the application that is already on your computer. So the very first thing that I will show you is how to do it on a Windows 11. Just click start and then just start typing graphics. On the first option here, it's graphics, or so graphics settings. So just click that. And then under custom options for apps, click browse and then locate where the file or the shortcut of your game is located at. Like, let's say usually the gaming shortcuts or the shortcuts for your application will be located in your desktop. So just click on desktop. But if it's not there, you can also go to your C drive and then look for the file there under program files and look for whatever applications you want to add. Now, for this example, let's just pretend Microsoft Edge is the gaming launcher. Let's just pretend this is Warzone or RF Online. It doesn't matter. So just click that and then click add. And then, okay. And then scroll down a little bit and then you'll see it here, Microsoft Edge. And then under option, click that and then click on high performance. So as you can see, by default, all your gaming applications, your gaming stuff is decided by Windows on whether it's going to optimize it or just less prioritize it with all its resources. So by doing this, you're instructing Windows to prioritize the computer using the GPU or the graphics unit of your computer. So though, after you click that and click save, and then that's it. Basically, that's how fast it is. I will also show you how to do that on Windows 10. They're kind of similar. You'll just still need to click on start typing graphics, and then under the graphics performance preference, click on browse. Look for the gaming application. Usually it's on a desktop. And then again, let's pretend that this is a game. Click that and then click add and then click options and then click on high performance. So I'm going to show you what it looks like if you're using an actual computer. Here, I'm going to graphics settings. And as you can see, I am optimizing my Adobe Premiere Pro, so the editing will be like really fast. The rendering will be fast. This is what it looks like. Just click on option and I set it to high performance. I don't have any games on this computer now because I just recently reimaged this. But if I will be installing a game, this is definitely one of the things that I always do. This like gave me a lot of advantage, especially when I used to play RF Online. So basically that's it, guys. I hope you learned something, and thank you so much for watching. If you like more contents like this, I have still so much tips and tricks to share. And yeah, if you like contents like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.